Machine learning, also known as ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence. It is a set of algorithms that allow computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It uses statistical methods to enable machines to improve using a large amount of data. Like annotated pictures of different cats, the machine can then determine whether there's a cat in a new unseen image by comparing what it has seen before, just like humans. This is just an example of classification, where we only say if there is a cat or not in the picture. There's a lot of different ways computers learn from data to achieve an end goal decided by the developer. Machines learn from data, either by using a supervised, semi-supervised or unsupervised method, which are all under a subset of machine learning called deep learning, which we will see in the next video.